What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play 2v2 online in Madden NFL 26. Start by going to quick play on the main menu. From there, open Superstar KO. Inside the setup screen, the main thing you need to adjust is the team size. Change it to 2v2. If you wanna play with friends, you can send them an invite. If you don't invite anyone, the game will automatically match you with another online player. You can also select your preferred role, whether you wanna play as any offensive captain or defensive captain. Next, choose who you want to play against. You can set it to head or play against a friend. You'll also see an option for the mode where you can switch between Superstar KO or NFL. Depending on the mode you pick, you will have different type options. For Superstar KO, you will see Infinite and Superstar KO. For NFL, you will see KO and Exhibition. Once everything is set the way you want, you can jump in and start your 2v2 match. That's all you need to do. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.